Stay tuned, we're having a party.
Hi guys, it's me and my brother. We're playing Scary Bamboon. Welcome to the video of Scary Bamboon. So we have
two YouTube channels.
two YouTube channels, but don't worry about that.
Let's just go.
Oh yeah, shout out to that kid. Shout out to Turbo VR. Yo, everybody, if y'all see him, say he's a YouTuber. If y'all see him, say he's a YouTuber. So we're
gonna be trying to use some secrets you probably didn't know.
Secrets you probably didn't know.
You know that thing I showed you? Like coming soon?
Oh yeah, there's a new map coming.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but it's something new.
Yeah. No, I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the top.
Go down.
I'm scared. Bro, wait, I'm trying to, but everybody keeps coming up here. It's getting hard to see. Okay. Oh, sucks. Oh, I made it down. I made it up to one. Guys. Really?
Yeah.
My brother just said he got kicked. No reason? Yeah. He's right next to me, so y'all can hear his audio. Well, I'm gonna wait for my brother to join. Yeah, the goal is to get 60 subscribers or 60K.
Furry was chasing me, I'm sorry.
If we pass it, we'll be so happy. His name
is Blueberry.
And I figured out in my YouTube video.
If you bring Blueberry here, you like big rolly balls in your mouth.
I figured out. Oh, are you in the code 31? Oh, I'm upstairs.
Close the door. Mommy. Why do you close the door? Close it. I don't care.
I'm waiting for you. You already what?
Mommy. Oh crap.
No, but I see him. Well, that ain't meat, man. Matthew, I'm scared. I might have to die. Guys, I might have to die.
Bro just said one.
Hurry up and run. I saw that.
Go.
I saw that.
Go.
He's close to us, too. Hurry, come to spawn. I mean, not to spawn. Pull. I'm trying my best, bro. I'm running. Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Hey, look,
Who's the prettiest of them all?
That is not my problem to deal with, boy.
Oh, I'm upstairs. I'm going to pool. I'm just seeing everybody running. I'm wondering.
Those are angry monkeys.
No running.
But I told you to come to pool. I did.
Stop running. Stop. Can I have a coon?
Well, I'm technically already there.
That's
It's not
weird.
pool right now. Centuries before decade. Where are you?
Bro, quit this game.
Why you?
Quit you.
Who?
The game.
Oh. Look, I'll die. Say where you are. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I already died. Let me see if your name is there. Oh, Matt, you're not in my code. Are you sure you're in code 31? Why not? No? No, why? There's only 19 people. Are you sure you're joining the code 31? Okay, then join the code 12. I said join the code 12. Oh, there's actually barely anybody in. Nobody's even in. 12. Oh wait, my fingers are not even able to move. How about 1, 2, 3? If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh come on, I'm glitched. I literally can't join public codes. I'm pressing join random. So I can join a random code. I'll tell you my code. Oh come on. As soon as I hit it. Okay, join the code 64.
Dang, bro.
64992. 64992. Yeah. 64992. Yes. 64992.
Surprise me. I haven't played this game in ages.
Long ago, 4 decades, a few people. I'm itchy. I got black, I got white, what you want? Yeah, bow. Bow. Good. 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 Shout out to him. Shout out to him.
Oh, me glitch. Lord, the monster glitch thing got me.
I got black, I got white, what you want?
Yo, let's go.
629, I mean not 629.
Let's go. That was mine.
64, next 64992?
No,
You have
what?
64992?
Ha!
Yeah.
That was mine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm careful with this.
Long ago. 592. 592. Enter.
Sorry.
Enter.
Hug it out. Hug it out.
What?
Give me.
I'm not even in there. I got black, I got white, which you won't. Oh my goodness, Steven has Mars is literally using a gun. I'm gonna kill him. What is that? 8-1? 27.
Stop.
6.
Hey, how do you be stop? Hey, how do you be stop? How do you be stop?
8-2-27. 8-2-1-27. 6. 1. 27. 127.6.
That's not point.
Alright.
Join the code.
Someone
like me. Come on,
8-1-2-7-6.
Stop right there.
Oh no,
Oh, wait, you're
8-1-27.
VIP, bro?
Oh no.
27 cents.
Wait,
27.6.
can I have the gun? I really want to be. Can you make me stop? Okay, Megatron died, guys. Megatron died.
He's a staff only.
Megatron died.
Guys,
He's in there.
I want to get out there.
I will spawn weapons if you
Hey,
guys
I made a nerve step before. You want a J-Man Q?
Throw the J-Man Q. Throw the
Everyone
J.
grab one.
I want J-Man. I want J-Man Q. Oh, what's that?
Can I get one? Can I get one?
The career's more at stake, we really close. Fuck the people, baby, money's on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, just peace of mind. What the fuck is on the coochie, never on the night. But I said it not the coochie, never put on me.
Bro, that was the best thing I've actually ever had. That was so sick, bro. I should have had that on video.
That's so sick.
Yo, that was the best. That was sick. I know y'all saw that. Goodness. That was so fun.